Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of coconut. You won't believe how this tropical fruit can transform your health. From boosting your immune system to improving heart health, coconut offers a wide range of advantages. We'll break down each benefit and provide practical tips on how to maximize its potential. Let's unlock the secrets of this tropical treasure together. Coconuts are more than just a tasty treat. They're a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. First off, coconuts are a good source of essential electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus, crucial for hydration and muscle function. These electrolytes are especially important in hot climates or after intense workouts. Secondly, coconuts are rich in medium-chain triglycerides, a type of healthy fat that's easily digested and used by the body for energy. MCTs are absorbed directly into the bloodstream and converted into ketones, an alternative energy source for the brain and muscles. Moreover, coconuts contain a good amount of fiber, essential for digestive health. And if that wasn't enough, coconuts also offer small amounts of iron, zinc, copper, and selenium, all of which play important roles in various bodily functions. Heart disease is a growing concern worldwide, but incorporating heart-healthy foods like coconut into your diet can make a significant difference. Coconut oil, in particular, has gained attention for its potential to improve heart health due to its unique fatty acid profile. The saturated fat in coconut oil is primarily in the form of lauric acid, which raises HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. HDL cholesterol helps remove LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, from the arteries, reducing the risk of plaque buildup and heart disease. Some studies suggest that coconut oil may help lower blood pressure due to its potassium content. However, more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of coconut oil on heart health. Always consult with your healthcare provider to determine if coconut oil is right for you. Coconut oil isn't just for eating. It also works wonders for your skin and hair. Its moisturizing, nourishing, and protective properties make it a popular natural remedy for various skin and hair concerns. For the skin, coconut oil acts as an excellent moisturizer due to its high lauric acid content. It can also help soothe skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Coconut oil also exhibits antimicrobial properties, making it useful for acne and other skin infections. When it comes to hair care, coconut oil can help strengthen hair strands, prevent breakage, and add shine. Moreover, coconut oil can help soothe a dry, itchy scalp and reduce dandruff. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, and coconut can play a supportive role in maintaining digestive health. Its fiber content and antimicrobial properties contribute to a happy and balanced gut microbiome. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria residing in your gut. These friendly bacteria play a vital role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Coconut also contains antimicrobial compounds like lauric acid and monolaurin, which inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria and parasites in the gut. This antimicrobial activity can help maintain a balanced gut microbiome, reducing the risk of digestive issues. Some studies suggest that coconut oil may help reduce inflammation in the gut, beneficial for people with inflammatory bowel diseases. A strong immune system is your body's first line of defense against infections and illnesses. Coconut, with its antimicrobial and antiviral properties, can boost your body's natural defenses. Lauric acid, found abundantly in coconut oil, exhibits potent antimicrobial properties. When consumed, lauric acid is converted into monolaurin, which effectively kills harmful pathogens. Monolaurin disrupts the cell membranes of these pathogens, preventing them from replicating and causing infection. Studies have shown that monolaurin is effective against a wide range of pathogens. Coconut oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help support the immune system's ability to function optimally. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for overall health, and coconut can be a surprising ally in your weight management journey. The MCTs found in coconut oil have been shown to boost metabolism and increase calorie expenditure. MCTs are quickly digested and used for energy, leading to a temporary increase in metabolic rate. Coconut can help promote feelings of fullness and satisfaction, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. The fiber content in coconut also contributes to feelings of fullness and aids in digestion. Fiber adds bulk to your meals, slowing down digestion and promoting a gradual release of sugar into the bloodstream. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and information. We've explored the incredible benefits of coconut, from its impressive nutritional profile to its positive impact on heart health, skin, digestion, immunity, and even weight management. Remember to incorporate coconut into your diet and lifestyle in moderation, and consult with your healthcare provider to determine the right amount for your individual needs. Now go ahead and enjoy the tropical goodness of coconut.